Unlock the power of email signatures. All right, so picture this. You're sending out a crucial email to a potential client, but what's missing? Your email signature. It's kind of like leaving your house without a name or an identity. You see, your email signature is more than just a name. It's a powerful tool that can unlock doors and make lasting impressions. In this video, we're going to be diving deep into the significance of email signatures and how to set up a signature in Gmail that wows. We all know that first impressions matter. And guess what? Your email signature is often the very first impression that people have of you, your brand or your company. Think about it. You wouldn't wear pajamas to a business meeting, would you? So why should your emails be any different? So let's talk about the wow factor. A well-crafted email signature is like a firm handshake. It conveys professionalism, trustworthiness, and credibility. Take Apple, for example. Their email signatures are as sleek and polished as their products, reinforcing the brand's premium image. But it's not all about business. An email signature can also add a personal touch. Consider this. When your email signature includes your job title, your contact information, and even a friendly quote, it's like extending a hand of friendship. Companies like Disney weave a bit of magic into their email signatures by adding memorable quotes, creating a personal connection with their audience. Email signatures are an extension of your brand. They're a silent ambassador for your company. Let's take Coca-Cola, for example. Their signature is as iconic as their red and white logo. And it's the little things like font, color, and design that can make a big difference. You see, consistency is key. It reinforces your brand identity. It makes your emails instantly recognizable. So let's talk about some legality. Now, in some industries, adding disclaimers, compliance statements, or even legal notices to an email signature is a must. The financial sector, for instance, includes regulatory disclaimers to ensure that they're following the rules to a T. Email signatures are not just about words. They can be interactive too. You can add clickable links to your website, social media, or even a recent blog post. Microsoft incorporates links to their LinkedIn profiles in their email signatures, making it easy for recipients to connect with their team. Now, your email signature is a digital extension of yourself, and it's essential to get it right. So first, let's open your Gmail account and click on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner and select See All Settings. In the Settings menu, click on the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. Here, you can add your email signature. Now it's time to create your perfect email signature. You can add text, links, and even images. Be sure to include your name, your job title, and some contact information too. And of course, don't forget to add a personal touch. Include a quote, a slogan, or something that perhaps reflects your personality or your company's values. Now, pay attention to formatting. You can change the font, the size, the color of your text, all to match your branding or your personal style. If you want to include your company logo or a personal photo, you can do that too. And don't forget to link to your website, your social media profiles, or any other relevant links. Scroll down a bit more to set up your mobile signature. You can use the same signature if you want as your desktop, or create a separate one too. Once you've crafted your perfect Gmail email signature, be sure to scroll down and hit Save Changes. And there you have it, my friends, your step-by-step guide to creating the perfect email signature in Gmail. Now, every email you send will leave a lasting, professional impression. Now, in conclusion, email signatures are the unsung heroes of your communication. They're the finishing touch that can elevate your emails from ordinary to outstanding. So whether you're a business professional, an entrepreneur, or just someone who loves to stay connected, your email signature is your digital business card.
Experience the synergy of unlimited email accounts, automated warm-up, and AI-driven content creation with Success.ai. Join the ranks of those who have achieved 10 times leads and revenue. Start your 14-day free trial. No contracts, no credit card. Success awaits. Don't miss the chance to redefine your outreach strategy.